Hello everyone and welcome back to School Lab and welcome back to our live stream where we are focusing on this on yesterday. So yesterday there was some unexpectedly interrupt due to power cut. So apologies for that and good thing is that today we are back and we will be starting fresh, especially on our front end side. Uh, so if you are beginner or just started, um, this live stream is very helpful for you because we are getting started with React, White, Chakra UI, and you are in perfect place. We are building the step by step, no assumption, and everything explained as we go. All right, so that out of the way, and let's begin by wrapping up a small backend tweak. So then we will move to on our the then we will move to our front end. Okay, so before we starting our the front end, I just want to make a quick and important update in our backend code, which is um, here in env we have one port here, as you see. I zoom it. Okay, so we have one port here which is a 3000. Okay, and if you see in backend and server.js, we are hard coded our port disk 3000. uh, so this is fine for learning, but in real world application, we should not hard code our port or any other config value. Instead, we want to read from our environment variable. It is standard and safe practice. Safe practice. So here the update I made. We now have a .env file where we define our default port 3000. Okay. So here we just type const port and here port. Okay, we save and we run npm run dev. Okay, so our backend is still running with the 3000 port, and if we change here 301 and again run, and now sorry, what the mistake here. So now our server is running on port 3001. Okay, so um, this is a small update. We change our port from direct from the environment file, and this is a practice we follow in any real world applications. Okay, so time to build our front end application. We are going to use with and React and JavaScript, and for styling we will go with Chakra UI. In the last stream already we learn about Chakra UI. If you not, so I just open one tab here. Uh, Okay, so here we search uh, so here we search Chakra UI. Okay, and so so here we come here documentation and we select version 2. We yesterday we tried with version 3, but we are getting some issue. So we shift to from 3 to version 2.10. So we start from that. Okay. So if we come here, we find documentation. It's get started. Okay, so it's installation process. Before that, we start our application. Okay, our front end, we set our front end application. So for that, I just come here in VS Code uh, and open new terminal. Okay, here I look to front end, and here I run command npm create white at the rate latest and dot. Okay, so this dot at the end means we want to initialize our project in the current folder itself. So we prompt here choose framework, so we select React, and variant we select JavaScript. Okay, so here we have now some folder structures and some files here we have now. So but we don't find any node modules here, so we install node modules. Just type npm install. Okay, while that installing, let's talk about move to Chakra UI again. So here we need to install to use Chakra UI in our project. We have to run following command. First, we have to install Chakra emotions and style frame motion. So these dependency we need to install. After installing dependent Chakra UI, you need to set up Chakra provider at the root of our application. Then we need to wrap our application with the Chakra provider. Okay, and Chakra UI work on your favorite framework. We can use Chakra UI with these all types of framework. And okay, so this is so here we have okay, so we have a component. Okay, so we have already designed component like accordion, tabs, visual hiddens, alert, circular progress, and so on. We have um, many components which we can use in our website without hassle. Okay, so we run our first command here. Uh, we copy this and move to our VS Code. So our node module installed. So I just run uh, our npm installed command. Okay, so once it install, we need to wrap our application with this Chakra provider. So we just open our index.html. Where is main? Okay, so we open our main.jsx. Okay, so it installed. So now we wrap our application with a Chakra provider. Okay, so we import white creator. Okay, and here we just write Chakra provider, and here we close this. Okay, so this make a Chakra UI component available everywhere in app, and now we just clean up things while deleting this index.css. We don't need anything from this file. Also we go to app.js and we have here already written some code. We also don't want this thing, neither this, so we just remove this code block here. And okay, so we just here uh, import button from Chakra UI, and here we give button button hi, please subscribe our channel. Okay, please subscribe. So this button. Okay, and if we come here in terminal and run command and pm run dev. Hmm. So it will start our. So we have a pretty good button here with hi, please subscribe. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and hit like button if you did not like this video, if you not, still did not like this stream. So like, okay. Hmm. So our Chakra UI is working. Uh, okay, so our Chakra UI is working, and now we have to move our write our some more code and start building our application from front end. Okay, so here we where is the VS Code? Okay. Where is the so so in our application we would like to have multiple pages for home page, for create a product, and we have to modify page and to uh, add in cart like something. After we are going to have multiple pages, so for that we have to install one package which is called React.js router. So we will install that. So I write npm I react router dom. So this package will help us to route to our application with multiple pages. Okay, so we should go to our here main.js and wrap up our application with something called browser the router, and we wrap our application just like we wrap the checker provider. Okay, so we just write here browser router, and here uh, browser router here. Okay, so what we have done here is basically wrap our entire application with the browser router component, so that we can use any other component that are going from this package, which is going to be like routes, so that we can really have different pages. So what I will doing, just say uh, come here in app.js, and here we create our box, which is basically a div that is coming from Chakra UI, uh, and here set um, and here we set min h. Let's see what it created. Okay, so below that I want our navbar here, so I write navbar. Okay, and then we called routes, and now we have our specific routes here, uh, and we just say we have uh, first route that is and we write it home. Okay, and we create another which is called uh, create, which where we create our product and add our product, or you can say save our product detail. Okay, just come here and write create, and here we add what we there create product. Okay, so here we need to create one folder inside src. We write components, and here we write navbar. Oh, sorry. uh, Here we created one folder. Okay, in src I want to create one folder which is components. Engine component, I want one file navbar dot jx, and one folder I want that is pages, and here I want create product.js, create product.js, and another product which is home page.js. Okay, so it's just uh, come to our here create product, and I just come here and type e7 es7. Okay, so you can install this extension for auto complete code or get code is snapped. Okay, and we come here in and we will get this code snapped from here. Okay, so this way you can generate code snapped very simply. You don't have to write manually too much code. Okay, and that will really helpful for you. And we come here RAF CE, and this will create here same thing, and we have similar thing here RFCE, and this thing here too. Now we come to our app.js and we set up our here, right? So here we create just call import and our home page, right? And here we import create product. Okay, so we import our both component, and also okay, so here I just give that component home page and create product. I think it is similar, or I will what it is going on. Okay, I just remove this word, right? Product, copy this, and we paste here. Okay, so and also we need to import navbar, and we import here. So navbar, and our code is still running, I think. Okay, so this code is still running. This backend code, this front end. Okay, front end code is still running. So we just go here and hit okay. What if we go like this? What error we are getting? Reference box is not defined. Okay, so I think I did not import box. I just type here. Okay, so I did not import box, so I just write here import, sorry, import box from CRUD. Okay, now I will run again and check. uh, Now we have another, the route is not defined. hmm, Routes. Okay, so again we import routes, and we run again and we check now, and we are getting navbar and home page. And if we go to our part create product, not much, what is okay, create, we just come here and type create. Create product is using incorrect caching, use Pascal for React component, lowercase, all lowercase. Okay, sorry, so this is a wrong way to create component. We just come here and create it like this, C, and here C default create product, what it is, create, save in main.js. Now app.js, here we write create, here we write create, control S, and check now. The request model export name, what is happening? We go to here, go here, go here, go here. Okay, so this is a wrong import. Import create product from page create product, simple. Now if we check, it should work. Create product, if we go home page, we have home page. So now we have routes. This means whenever, whichever page you visit, always going to see navbar component here, but we just changing our routes. That's why I put here navbar, and below I just move to this, this is not required, I think, right now. Now I see, so now this look better. So this navbar is always visible whenever, whichever routes I will go. This will remain same, only this part of code, so this part of this part only change. um, Now that's why I put it before. We don't So now let's try to build our uh, create page, or maybe we will build our navbar component. So which one we choose first? Okay, so we will first choose our navbar component, right? So I just come here, navbar component. So this content is coming from the Chakra UI. If you don't know, if you have confusion any regarding this component, so you just come here in Chakra UI, and you just go here and type component. Oh, sorry, container. Okay, I just write container, but I'm saying component. Okay, so we just import component container from the Chakra UI React, and it automatically come here because we just type here, then it will import automatically. Okay, so this look something look like this. It be right inside the container. We can set a size of the container by just type m max width empty bg background color and text color. We can set everything like this. We can center the children, like if you want to center the text in the center, we just write the inside container, we add one box and we give padding, color, this type of structure we can create. So this is container. Okay, you can find any type of component of the chakra from search here. Like if we want drop down, I think drop down will come. This will be in, you can search anything, bloopers. Okay, so you can check the chakra documents and search for it. So let's uh, now here in container, I just come here and give flags, flags, and edge equal 16. Alignment center, justify content space between, and vg below 0.500, and we close this. We also add our flex direction, um, direction, wedge column and empty row. So you could say on the base screen, um, so this flex direction is going to be responsive. So you can say on the base screen it is going to column but a small screen. uh, Hello, hello. Okay, so I am back again from a small break. Okay, so we will start over where we are. Okay, so we are found some errors here. Uh, these types of errors. So we just fixed the error. First is we getting this failed to construct text. Please use new operator. This normal person. Okay, so we just fixed this. Need to import text, and I think this fixed now. Okay, so our nav bar is coming like this amazing store. Okay, so this is coming like this, and we will work on this and we will make something good from this one. Okay, so we just minimize and start working. uh, okay, so come here and text we write something like font size. We make it responsive by adding like this, like this base is into Excel, and or we can change to 22, and for medium it's still Excel, um, or we can change to 28, and we can send bg gradient to train, bg clip text fine, and we write here, and we use this slash. Okay, here, so if we come here and visit our create a page, and we click on this, so this will redirect to home page, link to home page. Okay, so this is working. And now if we check like what we check here, um, uh, so here below this text I want to add one horizontal stack, or let's say uh, h, okay, and htk stack, and we save, and if we check this and spacing, whatever I am typing you can check from there, what we say, the documentation. Okay, you can find everything there. And we align item, uh, center, remove justify content center, and here we just add our link, like link to create, and we need to add button. Okay, uh, so we import a button from CRUD, and we just need to one package for the icons, so we just come here and if I search here, search React icons, we get this page React icons. And if I need to search anything, so for create I need to button something related to like this plus sign. So if I search plus, okay, so these are things come. So to add product I want, we can add this, but this is for cart, so I don't want to use this here. We can use we can use this ones like, okay, so or if we check here icon, so here we are all, we also have icons here, like we have this add icon and this type icon. So you can use chakra icon, or you can use these react icon. You can use anything for now. I'm using this one, that is react icon. Okay, so how I install this? Mhm. Just copy this or copy this. Just come here and run this command. Okay, so our icon is installed. And now if I come here and which icon I want, plus let's see, I need this icon, right? So I just import this thing in this here I simply see which CGDR and this, right? So we can see output here, how it's looking. Okay, so this look like this, right? And so I just come here and where's container, so right here max bit which is going to v 1140px, which is for complete screen, and give a padding on x direction with, okay. So if I check output again, now just look waiter waiter west. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I also want to change this color. I just come here and change this one. Okay, so this will look like this. For now, I keeping simple. Like we just want this image in store and this icon here for create. Right. So now we will add one more button for this theme change. Okay. So I just come to VS Code and here um, okay, so where is the this one? Okay, so I move this and create a link here. Okay, so we have link and we have button. Inside button we have this icon. Okay, and similarly we can create one more button. For this we don't want to what's going on.
Okay, so mic was not working. What I come use now. Now I'm using laptop mic. Okay, so our problem was that we need to use toggle color mode because this is the function from which available in this hook that we are calling from the uh, chakra UI. Okay, so now if we see our UI, which is like simple white light theme, if we color click on this dark mode, we will see the amazing dark theme. Like I personally like a dark theme, so I'm liking this mode. So I just simply come here and remove in the text is not looking good, of course, so we change with the icons. So where is our icons? Our icons is available here, React icon. For this I am trying to search something like moon. Okay, so dark theme. So for dark theme I think this is looking cool, or this we can use this, or this. I will use this theme like nobody use I think these icons. So I just copy this and come VS Code and import here and use this inside dark mode. Now for the light mode, I want something like sun or morning, or I simply just search here light what it's showing. Okay, it's showing something like this. If we search sun, okay, so this from this we can pick one. We can pick this is cute, or this one, or this thing. I think this is looking unique something. This is also looking unique, but we can switch this more and this sunny is like okay, this sunny. Oh, it's annoying. Okay, so we can use this and this sunny and just import here and copy this and replace this thing. Sorry, here paste and this, and now we save. uh, 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 Something is problematic. Hmm. Okay, I import this thing. Sorry, I don't know why, but when I am trying to import this Sunny or that icon, I got some error. No, okay, now if I replace this with this, okay, I'm getting some error. I don't know why. This the request module does not provide export name MD Sunny. Why? Okay. I think I am importing wrong thing. I like okay. I understood the problem. Okay, problem is this is the I thought this is the problem. Yes, this is CJ and this is MD. Sorry, my bad. And we come for the night. Night we choose this one. No, we did choose we which one we choose earlier. It's gone. Okay, we will use this one. This is from GI. So then this we have different type of classes. Okay, I have classes, so I need to import from different things. Okay, so just come here and I type here this night sky and use here. Okay, okay. So now if we see why it is working correctly. If I come here and see, we have add button, we have our toggle button. Oh, so this look cute, and this is also look normal, but this icon I like more. Can I zoom it? What if I change its size? How can I change the size? Again, I think just type font size, maybe it will help. I try here, which one here? I type font size 23. Let's see. No, 20. Yeah, it's changing. It's changing. If I change here, see, the idea look bigger. No, it's not look bigger. Not look bigger. How can I change the size? Okay. Uh, Here we give font size 20, but it will work, or we can change it like this 24px. It will work. No, in my second monitor, it's looking bigger. Okay, side changing, it's happening, guys. It's happening. Size increasing. Okay, someone I asked one question in the poll that which should be our next project in which sorry next project in which framework, and only I got one vote, which is the Node. Okay, we will create more project in that Node. Oh, I wish I got the name for what in this. Okay, we will check. We will check this thing also. Hmm. Okay. So if I check UI, I need to check UI here, here, and it's looking bigger. Okay, so we are able to change the size, but it's not looking good. So we just come to our 24px, and it's writing nice for addition for this size increase, right? So this now we have navbar, but it is not looking like we have something here. So we can change something this background color. Okay, so I just come here and in container I give bg use color mode value this one and give gray 100. Let's see how it looking. Okay, it's looking good. If I show you, it's looking I think good. It's looking something like now it is looking like we have real nav bar. They is sitting something like this, or it is gray color. In a light mode is also looking good, and in the dark mode is also looking good. I like, if you like this nav bar, please hit the like button, or you want to change, mention in the comment, because right now. Okay, so this thing I like, so I keep it simple like this. So I try to explain one more thing. Like we can use this function, like this use color mode value to change our color of any color of any component on any item or any section using this color mode value. For example, if I come here, like in AppJX, again in AppJX, we use here um, VG, VG, and which one? Use what was that? Use color uh, mode value, right? And give the similar effect here. Why we have two times? Let's see. This is only AI generated. If I change, it's nothing happening. Why? Okay, this color. Okay. Uh, so we have now red color and this white color, red color, white color, red color, white color of this box. If I change this to blue, can I do like this or it's fail? Okay. So now if I come here, in dark theme it's come blue, and light theme its color is red. Is something like this. I remove this, and okay. So if I remove this 50, it looks something like this. Red. Okay, so we can control any color. Even we can text color using same use color mode value. Okay, so so even to the so we have the nav bar here. We have nav bar. Okay, so I remove this thing because I'm not liking it all. Just I told you to learning purpose. Okay. Uh, Now we have back to our UI. So we have this. I'm not saying it's great UI, but it's looking fine for learning purpose, right? Or for I like this for now. Simple, clean UI. And we have navbar here. And at the top we have title of this store. This is amazing store. And on the this side we have a two buttons. One's for creator or add product. One for the toggle theme. Right. So till now we are complete. Now we need what we need. Okay. So what we need here, we need three different input boxes for uh, for product name, for price, and for image URL. We need this thing. Okay. So we start working on that. So if I want to that form which come at the create product page. Okay, so I can VS code where is create product. So this is create product page. So we add things here. First, I create a const uh, new product and set product use state name. I want name, price, image, good. That's it. Now it's giving you the okay. Let's come over. Okay, okay, and then we come this and you remember here we create a one container. Okay, so we just change to this container from chakra and the same thing here in container our max bit is container sm, right, and do this thing and I need one uh, what I need here I need some mm, vertical stack. Okay, so I need to use vertical stack. For that I just type v stack and this is import already. Okay, so imported and here I want some spacing around text 10 px. Okay, 10, so I just spacing 10 and close it and here uh, Mm, I would want one heading. So for heading, I am going to use, I'm not going to use H1, but in Chakra we have one thing which is called heading, and I want as a H1, so I just type as equal H1, right? Right? Okay, so we have created new product, and I also want to declare size here, which is around what we have option um, 2xl. Okay, text line center empty and MBB 5. We can change this thing later if it's not looking good. This is the AI generated, so it's good. I think it's good. Then I need one box and in this I want width something 200% is fine, I think. And see, here we use background color white. What? Why should we use background color white like this? When we have one very good function which is called use color mode value, and we can give gray dot 100 and gray dot 900, or we can say it's called white. We can give completely white. We can see if we don't look fine good, we can change and I will see. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Okay, so now we have this thing. Now we have heading and we have one box. Okay, with where we use this thing color change this thing. If I change, so 900 is use we use that earlier. I think I want to use some 800 like a lighter shade one also, right? For the lighter shade we I use this thing. I want to check my voice is coming or not. 1 minute. uh, Hello Black Shark, hello. Now we have string, now we have adding, and we have one box. Okay, I think voice is a little not good, but it's fine. So what I want, I have what I am doing. I am added box. Inside box, I will add vstack. So you don't know vstack. What is vstack? I just come here and I can see you can search here vstack. Sorry, you can search here. Kind of file over. You can search vstack in chakra UI. Vstack. Uh, like I find from here. You can search on Google. Okay. So what are we doing? Give me 1 minute, but just 1 minute. I will check if on live is everything working fine. I just refresh this thing. Okay, so I got two words for the node. Okay, so okay, someone is asked question. Okay, so are you working in IT or it's just a fun project? Okay, so it's just a fun project. I am just checking this Chakra UI components. So I just like to create one project. It's for just for beginners. Like if you are learning React or Node, you can try this project. I also create this backend of this project, which you can check here on the previous live stream. Okay. Now we will move to more what we are creating here. I just want to use here uh, and spacing for and no no. Okay, now here I have this thing. Something is issue here. Or data issue. Mhm. And we just control Z. Okay. 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 Here I see the spelling is wrong. So this spelling is wrong. So I just correct this and run. Okay. So now we have formed some reform. Uh, so now our page is looking like this. We have product name. Here we can type our product name like Apple Watch and then price is 5T. Okay, so this is Apple Watch, and so now we need one more input box, and then we need to create that button. Okay, um, yeah, from okay. I'm currently studying in Europe IT, and nobody is here is able to write code like you. They all do it with AI now. So AI, we can write code with AI. It is really useful. But yeah, a lot of people here rely on AI tools, which is fine. Um, and even I also try to create one application with completely from AI. So if you have some, topics, you can use AI for that. Or you have doubts, it help really help you to find solution better or take consume less time. But if you want to crack any job interview or looking for any job, so you need to know something basic. Okay, so we will focus. So one thing I don't like, this is a product name is coming in center. Okay, so I will fix this and add. We need to add one input box and one text. Okay, so or what I can do here, I just do this label. I don't want label. Why would we want label? Because we already have placeholders, right? So I think label is not required. What, how are you looking now? The product name. Okay. So for now we keep it this way. If it's not looking good, we can change it. Anyway, it's our UI, so we can change it, right? Uh, now what I need to do, so I just create one more input box, which is just copy this thing. Or what if I remove this box, because I think it is getting space some type. Uh, if I remove this box and Control S, now now I think it's looking much more clear, right? And also I need to change the background color because it just match with the previous background. So I change this the where is background color? I think this is background color, right? Yes. I just made 500 and see now. Not 500 is not looking good. 700. Yeah, now it is looking much cleaner. Okay, right. Now give me 1 minute.
Okay, so what we are doing, should- okay, I will turn down to a little bit. Okay, okay. We'll do this. Okay, so now it's fine. Like I think now you can see complete file. Uh, one more thing we can do here, this input box copy, and I just add new type, which is what type of this is text, and ID we have just image URL, and the value what we set here is image. Okay, so just add here image. So here we have image. Okay, and on change we will add new product image. Enter the image URL. Okay, so what is happening here, whenever user click on this add product, we call one function which is called handle add product. So we create one function here, uh, const add, and for now I just simple say here log and new product. Okay, so if I come here, so it look like this. If I say this look like this in light mode, in dark mode it look like this. Okay, so if I write here botch, or here I give something price 3000, and image URL I want one image, so I just come copyright three images of botch, give in image section, and just copy this image address, this copy image address. Okay, and we uh, come to VS Code and sorry, not in VS Code, what here, uh, this thing, and add product. So whenever we hit input, we this console log name botch price 3000 image URL. So our form is working. Okay, so it's working fine, right? And so we can do is basically implement a functionality, right? Once we click on this, we automatically save this to a database, and to be able to make this work, we can just and do plain fetch, right? We could run uh, with use the we can run it with the use effect in this component here. uh, okay, what I want to do is I want to create a global store which is going to be our global state, and we are going to able to just like we are going to able to global state, and we are going to just use it in any component. Okay, so if I just come here and whiteboard, and okay. So let's say our application is look like this. We have our app.js and the root component on top, and it has different children, right? And their children have their different children as well. So if you have one state, if you want to pass to the this one, and here is part to the another one, and let's say this child has also have their child, and it need to pass to next one, like next one. And how it is possible, which is uh, so if we have one state here, and I want to use here, so what we need to do, we need to pass it from this we need to pass from this to this, and then we need to pass it from this, and if we have another child here, then we can also, then we need to pass from this here. Okay, and this is this is not, and this is also not a good or not optimal solution, and it's also not permanent. This is because if you update this state only in this component, all of them is going to re-render as well. Like if I change state in this, all these component is will be rendered, uh, because all they are using data state. But if I have some kind of global state up here, uh, if I have something like global state up here, so we can use that state in any component. We can directly pass it, like like if we have something global here, so we can use this global state in any of this component, and we cannot do like this, like parent to child and parent to child, and then this component can use, but this component can directly use this global state. Even this component is also use this global state without uh, used in the parent component. Could you give me this one, and they can use it, and if they update this uh, state, then only this component render, because only this component is used that thing. Now I know it look a little bit complicated, especially this ugly arrows or this drawing, but once we implement it in the code, it's going to be actually pretty simple, and you will also find it very simple. Okay. uh, so for this thing I am using one package which is called um, which is called the that one is just, and okay, so I'm going to use this what's package to create that global state. Okay, so I just come terminal here and git here and just npm I just stand. Okay, so just come here, and inside the store I just um, create one folder which is called store, and in the store I create one file which is called product.js. Okay, so inside this folder, so in this file we just have some kind of global state and some function that we can use. So I will say here import, we just create or install one package, js stand or a js stand, whatever you can say, you say uh, use stand. Okay, let's create from use stand. Okay, and here I write express const use product store create set, and this AI assistant is showing us a complete code. We just click and tab, and we okay, so we just say here. Okay, so if you have function wrap in this bit, so if you sorry. So from here we have some products, and we write set product, so we just set product with this. Okay, so this is basically what we have in use state. When you say here, this is export to export. Okay, and like you say here const uh, uh, state set state. uh, so we have a state, and set is which is equal to use state. Now the initial value could be an empty array, so this is exactly what we are doing here. We have a state as well, and set state function, and this would be a local state, but this could be a global state, so we can use in any component in our application. Okay, uh, so maybe we just see this state in action. So we come to our navbar, and here just I type const and product. What is are you doing by product use product store? Okay, so this way we can okay, so this way we can import, and you can use, and we can use it. Okay, so this is the exact same thing I can just explain there explain here, that we have this global state, uh, we have this global state, and we are using anywhere, like we can use in app.js, we can use our navbar, or we can directly use in our create page, right? So just we need to use we need to import data use product store, which is from here, and inside this we have product this state, and we are able to use it. Okay, so this simple, this is global state. So now we are just come now navbar and do this, because we are not giving using our product here. um, and then we just create one function here. uh, create product, and okay. So I disable the that's auto suggestion thing. Now we are write coded our own, because this is that is was is also irritating. Someone. Okay, so now we will create our function. If new product dot name or so here we return false and type message. uh, Please fill all the fields. Okay, and now we const res await and fetch our data from API, HTTP, localhost. Our is running in 3001, so 301 and products, right? This is our endpoint. Okay. So what now? Every time we have to make a request, I don't rely want to pull effort on this localhost 3001. So I want this butter this thing slash products here. I just want our endpoints here instead of write complete URL of that server. So for that you just come here that byte config and here just we write server and write proxy and here we just slash and we target uh, to http localhost 301. Okay. So basically this means whenever we visit our API which have like slash endpoint is just direct it from this what we can server. Okay. and and so we don't need here this local host something problem. Okay, so this here uh, so this is this API is our post API which so just we call here uh, oh, sorry. uh, okay, and we have method we are using the method what this API is post and headers we have what we have headers we have content type application uh, content type give me a minute. Hmm. Content type what we say content type um, application slash JSON, and lastly we just say body dot json dot we just check here. Okay, so here we get our response over that API and we set our state. Okay, so now we check in which form we are getting our data and from the API. So we just go to backend and check controller and create product. We are sending in the product. Okay, like just we copy this and we just write here data dot product. So we'll test this state. So we just okay, and we console log here. Success and log message. Okay, so we did this and now if we save and come here in our product.js and we return here too. So here just I copy this thing and paste here return true. Okay, and here write product said. Okay, okay, now check this thing. Uh-huh. what this issue here. Why not working? What happened? It's saying server respond with server 404. Server is not working. Why? Maybe this which is the right because of this. Hmm. Why this is issue? Hmm. It's saying I need to write here. It's like this. It is working fine. It's working fine. Currently in product is not defined. Okay. So I just control S, and then the product I also control Z, and now sorry, VS Code and this one here. Okay, now I just add product P1 price time image हमारे पास थी ये वाली image. Okay, now we paste here and add product uncaught. Okay, I we got one error, that is create product 2 is not a function. Typo mistake somewhere. Create product. The typo mistake. Just click here and clean this error. Click here. Okay. Create product is new product is not a function. Why? Create product, and here product.js what we have create product. Okay. Uh-huh. I'm expecting error, but this is what I'm expecting. Giving this thing. So for now, I just simply and this. add like this with product.js. Here I just directly add this thing. Later we will fix this because I need to fix some do change in backend too. We will fix, but not now. Okay, so now if I go to this thing and create this, what happening? What happened? We were going to define this function. Hmm, why? Create product कॉपी किया, यहाँ पे ले गए fjx create product. Okay, so I just write here watch and image URL uh, add product. Oh, okay, so it's we are getting codes policy error because we running watch server from different uh, we are running different servers, so we are following codes policy error. Okay, so just I need to go to your backend. Um, and backend we have server.js. We need to add something uh, for codes policy error. Okay, um, to fix code policy error, we need to enable codes policy origin. For that, I just import one package that cd backend. Sorry, cd. Okay, what npm install course. Okay, so npm install course is done. Now we just come here and import course from course, right? And just coming here, right, app dot use course, and we just come here, run our application, and again go here and hit this thing, product saved, right? So we successfully add this product. Now I need to check one thing, it is working. Okay, so in this thing I check whether we are able to fetch that data that we save here or not. In product, MongoDB save and hit enter. Okay, so we just entered this thing, right? Object watch 27365, this thing, and it successfully saved in DB. If we just try to write Apple watch and hit add product, our product is saved, and here in DB uh, we can see we in Apple watch the price, image, and everything we can see here. Okay, so this way we can create one form. uh, so this way we can create one form and save the data into a DB using the React chakras. Okay, so uh, so today we so that's it for today. We wrap for today's session. We build one clean and responsive this create new product page, and if we change size, like, so this is for now. And tomorrow we can create a home page from where we can fetch product, and we can also edit that product and delete that product. So we these three functionality we create tomorrow. For now we are able to see real time, we are able to save data in real time and store in MongoDB. Okay, so if you are following along, awesome. Drop your question in the comment or chat if you have any. Don't forget to like this stream if you learned something new. Comment below what feature you want us to add in this amazing store, and subscribe to channel so if you don't miss any upcoming part, especially when we will fetch or edit screen for this product. Also, if you are watching this on replay, check the description. Maybe there is a link of this source code of this project, which is useful, and you can I also provide some timestamp so you can skip to them. So I am so keep building, keep learning, as always. Goodbye.